In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin user from your Shopify store. Before we start, a quick note. Removing an admin user is a permanent change to their access, so make sure you really want to take this action before you follow along. This is useful when someone has left your business, when an agency or freelancer no longer needs access, or when you're simply cleaning up unused accounts to keep your store secure. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your own credentials. Once you're on the main admin page, direct your eyes to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the main settings area for your store. Inside the Settings section, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see a list of different settings categories. Find the one labeled Users and click on it. This is where Shopify shows you everyone who currently has access to your store, including staff, collaborators, and other admins. Take a moment to review this list so you can be sure you're selecting the correct person to remove. Next, click on the specific user you want to delete. This will open that user's access details, where you can see their permissions and role within your organization. It's a good idea to double check here that you've selected the right account, especially if you have multiple users with similar names. Once you're viewing that user's settings page, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Actions. Click on this Actions button to open a small drop-down menu. In this drop-down, select the option labeled Remove. As soon as you click Remove, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This message will clearly state that this user will be permanently removed from your organization and will no longer have access to your Shopify store. Read this carefully to confirm you're removing the correct user, because once you continue, they'll lose access immediately. If you're sure you want to proceed, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the Remove button again. After you click this, Shopify will finalize the change and the user will be deleted from your store's admin access list. At this point, you're done. The admin user has been removed and they will no longer be able to log in or manage your store. This simple process helps keep your Shopify account secure and ensures that only the right people maintain access to your business.